hello and welcome to Automotive Awareness. There's Alan, there's Kevin, and today we're going to get a 1980 Cadillac Coupe
DeVille.
Yeah, Coupe DeVille. Oh, there's KA Band.
There's the boyo.
So we're gonna go get that now. We're on the way to go pick up a trailer from our friend. Yeah, we're gonna get to it. There's a cool Honda.
Cool.
Sick Honda, bro.
Wow. Do you think
Sick,
it's a Del Sol?
sick Honda, bro. It was a Del Sol. All right, we'll see you in a second. Ah!
All right, so every trip starts with getting the trailer, so that's what we're doing right now.
Every kiss begins with cash.
Every kiss does begin with okay. So,
Never shopped at K Jewelers. Expensive. Way too expensive. Okay. Aren't you supposed to cross these chains?
You can cross my ass.
So we don't get pulled over.
Yep.
How can I get pulled over? I cannot.
big men get the money. The money. Bank of the Americas.
Hello. We're in Chicopee, Massachusetts here. We're just, you know, being guys. Three dudes being guys.
This whole bumper's not even attached. Trim was in the picture, and the whole bumper's not even attached.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't know people weren't supposed to be going through it. That was the thing.
I mean, is there anything better you can do on price? I still want the car, it's just...
Tell me a little bit about this thing.
Well, it's been picked over. It looks solid. There's no real rust on it, just over the fenders in the back.
Mhm.
So, it's missing like a couple $100 in trim, which were in the pictures.
We can find it in the junk.
No, there's nothing else like this in there.
It's really pretty straight. I can't really complain.
True. I mean, how much? 800?
$800.
I mean,
It's just shitty that it's been picked over when they sent me the pictures and said it ran and drove and...
I mean, he told you what happened. He told you some, like, guy that didn't care came and took stuff.
all the fucking important parts. Now I gotta find this paint and those body fillers. That was the whole reason I was like, this thing's clean, because those things were not rotted out.
Yep.
Because usually what that means is it sat in the sun and the UV bake and they all shatter. It's the same plastic. See this shit here? See it's still pliable? That's not usually what happens. It usually gets all fucked up.
Yeah, it's over the El Camino's in the back.
So sad. That was really sad.
Yeah, but that's New England, man.
What?
That's New England, man.
Yep. That's how you don't take care of them. Well, doesn't look that rusty.
It's not rusty, but look what that fork did to the floor pan in the back.
Take up the hammer and beat the shit out of it. This car was $8,000. Doesn't matter. You want the cleanest Cadillac in all the land, you're in the Northeast. Come to California with me, I'll show you something real. Watch me.
So,
That's such a weird sight, like a car you're gonna be driving just like... 20 feet up in the air. So we just snuck down and deep into the junkyard where we really weren't supposed to go, but it's right because holy shit, dude. This place, one of many places like this, just sitting on these boys.
I don't even have any words for this kind of shit. Like,
There's some
shed,
Cadillac.
Chrysler, MG. Literally, like, even if you're strapped the fucking car, at least save the goddamn, like, motor, like, all the trim pieces, because people can use this kind of stuff. Holy shit. Like, this right here, this Bel Air, this is like a 60 something Bel Air. This bumper is probably worth more than my fucking car is. I don't actually know that. Somebody's gonna quote me on that. I'll get all pissed off when I'm wrong, but. Oh my. Oh, here's a bug. There's not much valuable in here. Nope. All right, what's up, guys? We're here on the road again. You can see the look at the cars back there, so beautiful. Coupe DeVille. So we had an interesting experience at this scrapyard that you probably already saw. If not, you'll see right now in the video with the cars, and a very interesting experience that Kevin had with the people at this place that he's just gonna kind of talk about now.
Big boy got salty.
Yes,
so
he is salt.
I'm pretty salty. The advertisement was completely inaccurate. The pictures were about 6 months old. It sat in a scrapyard, and people had taken a bunch of parts off of it.
The most important parts.
We agreed.
Well, not the most expensive parts. The most expensive parts.
Long story short, it was missing about $500 or $600 worth of trim. The entire front climate control and center console was gone. It's all in the ad, and I'll show the so you can see what the car looked like, what I agreed on buying at least, and agreed on the price. And yeah, the car's not complete. And then they tell me as they get on the trailer, the engine's no good. So that's the whole reason I bought the car, was the engine. And I was like, I can't, like, I drove almost 3 hours to get here, and we agreed upon a car that I guess you guys no longer have. It's not the same as the thing, so I offered like $400 for the car, and they said the lowest they'll go is $800, which that's only $50 off the price I agreed to pay as a complete car. But I wasn't just gonna go there and waste $150 in fuel, so I got the stupid fucking thing anyway. The only saving grace is, other than the trim, it's pretty much complete. There's not a single spot of rust on it. It turns out it's from California, and it's had a bunch of interior work done and a bunch of engine work done. So we're just gonna hope and pray. We're gonna put a compression test on it and see if it's just the head gaskets. Yeah, and they were just kind of jerking me around on the price, but that's essentially what it was. But I guess while I'm here, I'll explain the whole situation with the Oldsmobile 350. So if I remember correctly, they ran that motor from 1978 to 1984. They had pretty much endless issues with it. It was revised in 81, which then became the DX block. And that was the one that they fixed most of the issues on. It was essentially, it was a Buick Olds Pontiac BOP engine block that was modified, essentially the Oldsmobile Rocket 350. And it was modified with higher compression pistons and higher compression heads, and with diesel injectors. So it was still pretty much a 350 Oldsmobile Rocket, just with high compression, and it ran on diesel. So they made about 100 gets 28 miles to the gallon in that particular car when it does run, but who knows what's wrong with this one. But this one is the 350 cubic inch version. They made 3 variations, but the 350 was the most popular. So they're known for cracking. In rare cases, the worst failure you can see on that engine is a split crankshaft. But it's mostly valve seat issues and head gasket issues. So if it's mostly just a head gasket issue, it was driven by an old guy. It's only got 80,000 miles on it, so I don't think the crank is split. I think it's just an upper cylinder problem. So we're gonna go through it and see what it's all about. But I'm just pissed about all the trim that they told me was there, and then I show up and half the car is missing when it comes to the trim.
And unfortunately, that's just the dice that we roll sometimes going out to people's places far away. You really never know what you're gonna get because pictures don't really mean a damn thing in the end. And today is just a really, really good example of that for you guys. Always be very wary, and the pictures it's never as good in pictures as it is, or it's never as good in person as it is in pictures, is what it is. Ha, we just got hit with a laser. Anyway, so this is gonna be just some more content for you guys. Us this car.
I had no brakes there. Oh yeah, and the trailer brake stopped working.
Yeah, the trailer brake is not on, as you can see down there. Open line. Great. Anyway, this is what you gotta do for cars sometimes. We're gonna get back and clean it off now. Bye bye.